Hello everyone, this is Aditi Handa here, chef and co-founder at The Baker's Dozen. Christmas is almost upon us and it's a very exciting time of the year. I'm going to show you today how to make really easy, simple recipes of how to use your plum cake. For the first recipe, which is a pumpkin trifle, we're going to use a plum cake, fresh fruits like kiwi or orange, and some freshly whipped cream. I've tried to ensure the ingredients are the kind you would easily find in your pantry at home. So we take your plum cake and we put it inside the glass. You could use a mason jar for this too. We take some freshly whipped cream and load a lot of it on top. And then put a layer of fruits. I've taken softer, juicier ones like orange and kiwi, but I think some crunchy ones like pear and apple would be really nice too. Some more plum cake on top. Obviously more whipped cream, because who doesn't like whipped cream? And we top it up with the fruit again. So this is your homemade pumpkin trifle. So the next recipe that I'm going to show you is how to make your plum cake pops. You take your plum cake, this could be leftover, this could be fresh, and we just kind of break it into little pieces and put it in a bowl. I'm going to take some buttercream, just a little bit, and try to mix it in here. This is where you get your hands really messy, and I love it. So take a little bit of cake, and now we're going to make it into a little cake pop. If you struggle getting them in shape, you can also freeze them. Once you've gotten them in a slightly round shape, you can freeze them and they'll remain intact. You've gotten your cake pops ready. You can take melted chocolate, either pour over it or lightly do a drizzle on it. It really depends on how artistic you want to get. And you can freeze these and serve them at any point. Once your cake pops are ready and you've done your drizzle, you can keep these in the freezer. And the beauty about this is you can make it at one go and keep it, and whenever someone's in or your kids pop in and say, "Mama, we want a really nice treat," you can serve it nice and chilled. For the last recipe, this one's really easy. All husbands could do it. So what I've done is I've sliced the plum cake and pan fried it in butter. Yes, pan fried your cake. It tastes delicious. All I'm going to do is put in a couple of slices of a pan fried in butter in a bowl and serve it with ice cream. I've taken one of my favorite orange flavored ice creams. Ah yeah, I finally got it out. And voila, that's it. We have a pan butter fried plum cake with a scoop of your favorite ice cream. I've used an orange one. You could also use cinnamon, which would taste absolutely delicious and Christmassy. So we've done some really easy plum cake recipes, the ones that you could make, your kids could make, your husbands could make. I hope you enjoy them. A Merry Christmas to all of you.